what's up everybody? This is Mari for Unbox Product Review. Today we are going to unbox and review the Ragu wine accessory. We got the accessory wine by Ragu. It also includes the pump. The first thing you'll see in the box is the owner's manual. This will tell you what accessories that comes in this box and how to use it. Also with the feedback information. So right here is the accessories. Right here it tells you what each accessory does, including your cork. So right here, first off, you have your wine spout. So you just go ahead and put this on your wine bottle. It will pour out into your cup. And here is the knob at the bottom. This is your cork opener. And this here has a little knife. So in case your cork doesn't get off, this right here will lift it out. And this is your pump. As you can see, this pump here is very sturdy. This is stainless steel. So you just go ahead and pump this when you want to pull out your wine. And here on the other side, you get 4 or 5 little stoppers. This will cork up your wine bottles to save the life of the wine. You get 4 of them.